I'm Trooper Jones with the Illinois State Police, and I'm here with today's Safety Tip Tuesday. Did you know that Illinois law states that we must communicate a signal of our intention to turn or change lanes to the right or the left? Yes, it's called using a turn signal, and we must use it at least 100 feet before a turn within a business or residential district and at least 200 feet upon a highway. It is this communication which allows everyone else around you to prepare for your action, because no one wants to feel like you cut them off. This preparation will go a long way to reduce tension, and it aids in prevention. Prevention of what? Road rage. We all know how dangerous road rage can be, so let's be proactive and stay ahead of it. Say it with me. Communication helps preparation, which reduces tension and leads to prevention. Wow, I'm a poet, and you're out here saving lives. Remember, signal to stop the road rage. And that is your Safety Tip Tuesday.